Alright, so this question reads, a farmer harvests 8 separate fields, G, H, J, K, L, M, P, and T. Each field is harvested exactly once, and no 2 fields are harvested simultaneously. Once the harvesting of a field begins, no other fields are harvested until the harvesting of that field is complete. The farmer harvests the field in an order consistent with the following conditions. Okay, so we have a sequencing game. We have our separate fields consistent with the following rules. Rule number 1, both P and G are harvested at some time before K. So that means that K is not first or second, and P and G are not last. Rule number 2, both H and L are harvested at some time before J. That means that J cannot be first or second, and H and L are not last. Rule number 3, K is harvested at some time before M but after L. So that means that M cannot be first or second, L cannot be 8th or 7th, and K can't be first or last. Alright, rule number 4. T is harvested at some time before M. So that means T can't be last, and M now can't be third as well because M has L, K, and T before it. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this all in a large chain. We know from rule number 1 that we have P and G before K. We know from rule number 3 that L is also before K, and then M is after K. We know from rule number 4 that T is before M, and we know from rule number 2 that H and L are before J. So, the only 2 variables that don't have anything after them are J and M. So we know J and M are the only 2 that can be last. And so now we have set up our rules and our deductions. Let's go ahead and hit question number 7.